Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix login problem with UAE Pass mobile application. So if your UAE Pass isn't working for you and you are not able to log in into your account, if you are facing any kind of login errors, then make sure you watch this video until the very end in order to troubleshoot this problem. First of all, you will have to come out of your UAE Pass application. Then you need to simply long press on it and go to app info. In the app info, you will see the storage option. So you need to tap on storage first, then tap on clear data. Afterwards, you need to click on clear cache and then press OK. And then you just have to try to log in into your account and check if the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still there, you will have to come back on this page again, and this time instead of clearing the cache, you need to tap on clear all data. So if you select the option of clear all data, it will log you out from your account. So you just have to simply try to log in and check whether this problem is fixed or not. Now if the problem is still there, you need to come back in the app info section, and here you need to tap on app permissions. Now if you set any login biometrics or face ID, you need to make sure that you allow these permissions, especially the camera permissions and the fingerprint permissions. So make sure that you allow these permissions from the permissions section of your app info section, and then you need to check whether now it is letting you log in into your account or not. If you still face the problem, you can simply go to Google Play Store or App Store and you can simply search for UAE Pass update. If you see any update over here, you need to make sure that you update the application and try to log in into your account. With the help of these few troubleshooting methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. And if you do that, do let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.